Did you know that 70% of the women in this country are experiencing some sort of depression, anxiety, sleep deprivation, or just overall discontentment? Why are we so disconnected? What is the programming that's going on in the back of our minds that is keeping us from having what we want? Hi, I'm Caroline Andrews, and I am passionate and purposeful when I say that I love helping people heal themselves so that they can have the dream relationship primarily with themselves and then with another. Because if you don't love yourself, how can anyone else love you? So I have created this 3-step program. First step, identify what is your dream relationship. Really get clear on that. The second step is, why haven't you already created it? What are the limiting beliefs that are preventing you from having the love of your life? And 3, what are the steps that we need to take you through to get to that dream relationship? So we're really going to address each of those limiting beliefs. What are some limiting beliefs? Let me tell you, I'm too fat. I'm too old. There's not enough conscious men out there. I don't know how to do this. I've never done this before. It's too hard. It's too much work. I've heard it all. And guess what? Those are typically not real truths. Those are the limiting beliefs we need to address so that you can have it all. Now, I have been doing this one-on-one with people for the last several years, and I am thrilled to tell you that I'm offering this now as a small, intimate group. 8 people that I will take through the same process, and I make it so it's much more affordable for more people to experience. So if this is something that you would like to know more about, go to my website at howdoihealmyself.org and click on Dream Relationships. My next workshop is coming up Saturday, February the 17th, right here in Encinitas. And I only take 8 people, so it's a very intimate group. And please, I suggest, let me help you find what it is you're looking for. It's my passion and it's my purpose, and I love what I do. And I would love the opportunity to help you. Thank you.